see the task number 25 to 30. See the 25th lesson, children, with mom in the kitchen. Answer the following questions with the help of pictures. They gave the answers and pictures also. You see the picture and write the correct answer. First one, where does mother cook food? Kitchen. 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 I say again, where does mother cook food? Kitchen. 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 Second one, which instrument does she light the stove? Yes, lighter. 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 I say again, children, with which instrument does she light the stove? Lighter. 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 Third one, what does she make in a kettle? Cup of tea. CUP cup. OFF I say again, children, what does she make in a kettle? Cup of tea. Fourth one, where does mother keep fruits and vegetables? Fridge. 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 Where does mother keep fruits and vegetables? Fridge. Fifth one, what does mother use to cook food very fast? Cooker. 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 Sixth one, what does she use to make fruit juice? I say again, children, what does she use to make fruit juice? Fruit juicer. FRUIT. Fruit juicer. 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 What does she use to make fruit juice? Fruit juicer. Is it clear, children? See the next lesson. What is the next lesson? 26th lesson, just for fun. Study the spellings of the given words carefully and answer these questions. First one, what does a teacher like to drink? They gave the answers picture and they gave the answer also. You see the picture and write the correct answer. First one, children, what does a teacher like to drink? The answer is tea. TEA. Second one, what comes in through the window? Wind. 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 Third one, which creature is crawling on the pants? Answer is ant. 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 Fourth one, which animal do you get from pigeon? The answer is pig. 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 Fifth one, which animal is hiding in the box? The answer is ox. 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 Sixth one, name the bird sitting in the kitchen. The answer is hen. 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 Seventh one, what does Peter like? Pet. 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 Eighth one, which furniture can you take out from vegetable? Table. 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 Ninth one, which round object do you get from spring? The answer is ring. 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 Tenth one, what does a sparrow carry with it? Arrow. 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 See the next lesson, children. Bad habit, say no. Give yes or no answer. First one, do you bite your nails? No. Second one, do you tell lies? No. Third one, do you write on the walls? No. Fourth one, do you shout in the class? No. Fifth one, do you tease dogs? No. Sixth one, do you take eggs from nests? No. Do you pluck flowers from the garden? No. Do you throw pieces of paper on the floor? No. If all your answers are no, you are a very good boy or very good girl. Okay, children? The all questions are bad habits. So, we write the answer is no. Is it clear, children? In the next lesson. What is the 28th lesson? Climb up. Clues. First one, you carry me on a rainy day. This lesson also they gave the pictures. Okay, children, and give the answers also. You see the picture and choose the correct answer. Okay, children. First question, you carry me on a rainy day. Umbrella. First one, umbrella. 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 Second one, a spotted wild animal. Leopard. 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 A spotted wild animal. Leopard. Third one, wild animals live here. Where is wild animals live? Yes, forest. 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 Fourth one, he builds your house. Mason. 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 Fifth one, sun sets here. Sun sets in which side? Yes, west side. West side. West. West. Sixth one, a flightless bird. A flightless bird. Emu. 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 Seventh one, the opposite of yes. The answer is no. 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 The opposite of yes is no. Eighth one, the fifth letter of English alphabet. E. The answer is E. The fifth letter of English alphabet E. You write the answers and fill in the boxes also. Down to up you write it. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down to up you write the answers, children. Okay, see the next lesson. See the 29th lesson. Who am I? Fill up the blanks. First one, I can live on land and water. I eat insects. What am I? Frog. The answer is frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. They gave the answers pictures and gave the answer also. You see the picture and write the correct answer, children. Second one, I am a seedless fruit. I have a crown on my head. Pineapple. P-I-N-E. Pine. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Pineapple. Third one, I live in the sky. I change my shape every day. Moon. M-O-O-N. WON, moon. Fourth one, I have no legs. I can crawl on the ground. Snake, SNAKE, snake. Fifth one, I can fly fast. I can sit on a tree. Bird, BIRD, bird. Sixth one, my name starts with the last letter of English alphabet and ends with the first letter of the alphabet. Zebra, ZEBRA, zebra. Seventh one, I live in water. I say quack quack. Duck, DUCK, duck. Eighth one, I am the father of a chick. I say cock-a-doodle-doo. The answer is cock. COCK, cock. See the 30th lesson, children. Bring them together. Match the figures on the left with the figures on the right. First one, letter. Match these pictures. Which picture is correct picture to match it? Yes, stamp. Letter, stamp. Letter, stamp. Second one, baby, feeding bottle. Baby, feeding bottle. This is the second one answer. Third one, children, bread, butter. Bread, butter. Right, number 3 here. Fourth one, tree, axe. Tree, axe. Write the fourth one. Fifth one, children, old man, walking stick. Old man, walking stick. This is the fifth one, children. Old man, walking stick is fifth one. Sixth one, pencil, sharpener. Pencil, sharpener. This is sixth one, children. Seventh one, apple, knife. Apple, knife. You write number 7 here. Apple, knife. Eighth one, driver, bus. Driver, bus. This is the eighth one, children. You write 8 here. Is it clear, children? I say again. Letter, stamp. Baby, feeding bottle. Bread, butter. Tree, axe. Old man, walking stick. Pencil, sharpener. Apple, knife. Driver, bus. Is it clear, children? Okay, children. We will meet the next class. Thank you.